Hello, this is a video of one of the features of Qflex-AMQ product. We are going to promote queue definitions from one environment to another. If we go to Anypoint MQ QA environment, we see there are no queues defined. We'll switch to development in Qflex-AMQ. We can select all or filter out queues by name or type. For now, we will simply select these queues. We will press promote, select QA, done. Let's go back to Anypoint. Refresh the screen, and here you are. We can promote all the definitions, queue, FIFO queues, and exchanges. That's it. Thank you.